That's right. I'm here at Lewisburg Tractor and Truck because, and look at all these old farm equipment, man. I think my old Big Sexy is still probably up here somewhere, or they may have sold it, who knows. But again, the reason why I'm up here is because my Kubota is going to find a new home. If it's not making me money, it's got to go. This has been paid for a couple of years. It's a 2017 with 138 hours on it, an L4701 two-wheel drive, non-hydrostatic transmission. And the book on it's so strong right now that I talked to the manager / owner of the place this morning. That's the video I just uploaded, and we made a consignment agreement on this because basically I'll get just about as much as I paid for it. That's how hot the market is right now. I will get as much as I paid for it. Now, of course, I've got to pay a 10% commission on the consignment. So that's the story there. So I'll give them about $1,300. We're putting it up for sale for $13,750. $13,750. And the manager said we should get close because that's how well they're selling right now. But this is where I bought it from, and this is where I'm selling it back to. Hey everybody, yeah, this is just a part of the bigger plan of getting rid of a lot of stuff. I've already sold all the implements for this except for two things. I had 8 implements, I've already sold 6 of them. And now it's time to get rid of the tractor because I'm reinvesting in the Mercedes van because I want to pay it off fast. I want to try to pay that thing off in 1 year if I can, because I definitely want to try also with the proceeds of this tractor. I'm going to pay off this truck, and then that way I get away from all these damn car payments that I've got, because I'm not used to them. I don't like them. I've always had car payments all my life, and finally I've gotten down to the 3 vehicles that I need: my van, my work van, my Mercedes van for traveling, and also this truck for towing and hauling, because this is what it's meant for. So once I get everything consolidated back down to the point where I have just my primary vehicles making me money, and the things and equipment that I'm going to keep, like the dump truck, the equipment trailer, and the excavator, those are pieces of equipment that will make me money and are making me money. So that's the key here. Having a bunch of toys sitting around so you can just look at them and it's not making you any money ain't doing you no good. Man, but they got all kinds of old stuff out here. And if you're looking for parts or parts of old tractors, this is the place to come to. It's Lewisburg Tractor and Truck in Lewisburg, North Carolina. Looks like that one had a bad day. A real bad day. But you can see, it just goes on and on and on. And right up front up there is the consignment stuff. Okay, all right, it's 3 in the afternoon. It is hot as hell out here. It has never not been hot. My God, look at this. That's my lawnmower right there, my Skag Economy, but this one here looks like it's pretty beat up. The ignition switch is gone. I mean, it looks like it was rode hard and put up wet. Oh yeah. A lot of old stuff here, man. But all right, let me get inside, unload, sign the paperwork, and I'll upload these 2 videos tonight. And we'll talk more about it. Okay, say goodbye to the tractor. Sexy version, big sexy version 2. It's got to find a new home. And they said they should have it sold in 2 weeks. So that's the story. Leave those comments. Talk to you guys later.